Hello class, this is Miss Daniels coming to you with your part 2 of your science. Let me pull up my slide. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the nervous system and the circulatory system. Okay, this will be a two-part video in which I will, in the first part of the video, focus on your nervous system. Now, we talked about this in class, so this should be a review as to what the nervous system is and how it works with the body in order to maintain your health. So, let's take a minute to think. Engage your own prior knowledge to what you think the nervous system does and how it helps you to maintain your total health. When you touch something that is very hot, you pull your hand away quickly. How does this happen? Take a minute and either jot down your response or think about your response and share it with your family, friends, or with someone that you know. If you are by yourself, jot down your answer so that you can reflect on what you thought. And after we finish going through the lesson, see how your thoughts may have changed or what corrections you can make. If you need to pause the video to take more time to write down your thoughts, please do so now. All right, so let's talk more about the nervous system. When humans use their senses, which is your senses organs, are your eyes, your nose, your skin, your mouth, your ears. All these allow you to see, to smell, to feel, to taste, and to hear. These send information to your brain. Your brain then processes this information and creates a response. So how we respond to our environment is based on these 5 senses. And then our brain allows us to react. The main parts of your nervous system are your brain, the spinal cord, and the nerve cells. So your brain is connected. Let me go back. Your brain, as you can see here, is connected to your spinal cord. Your spinal cord runs through the backbone, which is, we talked about what our backbone is in the first couple of, my first video when we talked about the skeletal system. It allows us to stand upright as humans, right? And it also protects our spinal cord, which is another vital organ. It's another vital part of our nervous system that is connected to our brain. Another part is your nerves. So you have a lot of little cells in your body, these microscopic cells that we talked about when we talked about unicellular organisms and single cell organisms, right? So us being a multicellular organism, we have specialized cells. One of those specialized cells we have is called the nerve cells. These nerve cells stack onto each other to develop our nerves. And those are all the little veins that you can see running through your body and that communicate and send signals to your brain. The function of the nervous system is to control the body and to respond to its surroundings. And function means, what is its job? How does it do? How does it work? And the nervous system works by using those senses and using those different parts to help send back signals to the brain and then control how we respond to our surroundings. And they have a picture here. I know that this looks like maybe it doesn't make sense, but it's a picture. It's kind of the central place. It's the headquarters of our body. And you can think about it as the headquarters because the brain is in your head, right? All right, so that is my lesson for today on the nervous system. So now what I want you to do is go back and think about your question. Your question was, when you touch something that is very hot, you pull your hand away quickly. And now tell me, how does this happen? What is happening with our nervous system that allows us to know that something was hot and that we should pull our hand away? So I want you guys to answer that question, and we're going to talk about it in our class meeting. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.